Hello children, today I will explain to you chapter 5 of your English reader book named Palanquin Bearers, written by Sarojini Naidu. Before starting the chapter, I am giving you some introduction of Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was born on 13th February 1879 in Hyderabad. She was a political activist, feminist, poet, and the first Indian woman to be president of the Indian National Congress and to be appointed an Indian state governor. The poem Palanquin Bearers is the early and daily morning song that is inculcated in the hearts and minds of the simple fishing community in the eastern coast of India. Okay, let's start the chapter. Lightly, oh lightly, we bear her along. She says like a flower in the wind of our song. The palanquin bearers carried the newlywed bride in a palanquin. They sing as they carry the bride to her in-laws' house. They tell us that the bride is very light to carry और वे ब्राइड के वेट को बर्डन नहीं समझ रहे थे. ब्राइड जो थे वो पालकी के हिसाब से अपने शरीर को भी उसी तरह सॉफ्टली मूव कर रही थी और पालकी वालों के सॉन्ग को एंजॉय कर रही थी. और जो ब्राइड थे उनके मूवमेंट को फ्लावर के मूवमेंट जो कि हवा में होते हैं उससे कंपेयर किया गया. She skims like a bird on the foam of a stream. She floats like a laugh from the lips of a dream. Now the bride's movement is compared with a bird's skimming. Skim means होता है बिना छूते हुए ऊपर से निकल जाना. Birds touch the foam of a stream slightly and fly away. Likewise, the bride moves slightly. वो काफी हल्की थी and so she is said to be floating like a dreamy smile from the lips of a person who dreams. ब्राइड का मूवमेंट काफी डेलिकेट और काफी ब्यूटीफुल था. द ब्राइड seems to be happy as her movement is compared with a laugh. Gaily, oh gaily, we glide and we sing, we bear her along like a pearl on a string. The palanquin bearer carried the bride gaily, मतलब लोग ब्राइड को बहुत ही खुशी खुशी कैरी कर रहे थे. Even when they glide high grounds, they are not burdened and so they proceed with their singing. They say that कि ब्राइड जो है ठीक उसी तरह उन लोग कैरी कर रहे हैं जिस तरीके से स्ट्रिंग में पर्ल यानी मोती को पिरोया जाता है. She is as precious as a pearl. Softly, oh softly, we bear her along. She hangs like a star in the dew of our song. They carry her, the delicate bride, softly in their palanquin. She is seated in the palanquin like a bright star and heeds to the palanquin bearer's song. उन पालकी वालों के सॉन्ग ब्राइड को उसी प्रकार खुशी दे रहे थे जिस प्रकार स्टार की रोशनी से ओस की बूंदें चमकती है. Their happy song shows they are as happy as the bride. She springs like a beam on the brow of the tide. She falls like a tear from the eyes of a bride. The bride moves like a beam of light that springs when it gets reflected by waves. ब्राइड के मूवमेंट को उसके आंखों से धीरे धीरे गिरते हुए आंसुओं से किया गया है. Though the bride is delighted to visit her in-laws house, पर वह काफी अपने सिचुएशन से दुखी थी. क्यों? क्योंकि वो अपने पेरेंट्स से अलग हो रही थी. She has the mixed feelings of joy and pain. Lightly, oh lightly, we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. The palanquin bearers continue to carry the bride, who is as precious as a pearl on string. They didn't cease their song as they carry the bride lightly. उनको पथरीली जमीन पर पालकी को लेते हुए बहुत लंबा सफर करना था. Nevertheless, they never feel sad or burdened by carrying the beautiful bride.